Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook Marketplace shipping option not showing. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply check the category selection. So not all the categories support the shipping. When you are creating your listing, just make sure that you select a category that allows shipping. So here on facebook.com, come inside marketplace and click on the option of create new listing. Over here, you just have to first of all select the type of the listing. After that, simply look for the option of category in the left hand side. So here uh, you can select the categories like electronic or clothing or home items, but some certain categories automatically disable the shipping. If the option isn't showing, your category is often the reason. Now in the second step, you just have to verify your marketplace eligibility. The shipping is not available for every account. Facebook enables shipping based on the account age, location, marketplace activity, trust, and the policy status. So if your account is new and has restrictions, the shipping option may not appear. So there is no manual switch for this. So the next solution that you can try is you can simply check your location and the address settings. So shipping requires the proper location setup. So here when you are in the Facebook account of yours, you just have to look for the gear icon here on the top right hand corner. So in the settings, you just have to look for the option of the location. So here the incorrect or the unsupported regions can remove the shipping options. So you just have to make sure that your country and the address are correct. So you can try these methods in order to fix this issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.